Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can integrate your Pabbly Form Builder with your Stackby. Now, why would you need this automation? It's very simple. I do not need to give an example, but still I am giving you an example. Whenever somebody is doing a form submission on your Pabbly Form Builder, those details will be shared to the Stackby database, and those details will be, when shared to the Stackby database, it will be available to you at one place where you can view all the details very easily and effectively. Now, what are we going to do here? The process will be, first we are going to make a form submission through our Pabbly Form Builder. After that, that form submission details will be sent to our Stackby database and a new record will be created in Stackby. Now to do this automation, we are going to use integration and automation service Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Pabbly Form Builder and Stackby. Now, if you want to learn this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And we are now at our screen. And now what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar, type in pabbly.com/connect and enter. And as soon as we will do that, you can see we have two options here. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Now signing in is very easy. If you already have an account, just go and sign in. And if you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month from our side so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay. Now I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in and I'll go here, access now. Now, here what I have to do, I have to create a new workflow. I will just click on this button, create workflow, and here I will give the name of the workflow. So what we are doing, integration of Pabbly Form Builder with Stackby. Okay. So this is what we are doing right now. So I'll just click on create. Now you have two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. So whenever an event will happen at the start of the process, the trigger window will capture it, or the trigger window will have it, and action is the final event which is happening at the end of the process. So trigger is when this is happening, action is do this. So what is happening here? We are using a form submission, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Form Builder. Trigger event is new form submission. Now you have to connect your Pabbly Form Builder to your Pabbly Connect account, so that whenever a new submission is done in your Pabbly Form Builder, it will automatically take the response through webhook URL and will send the data here in Pabbly Connect account. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to copy this webhook URL. I am going to show you how you can connect them. And if you have any confusion, here you have all the instruction details. You can just read it and you can just use it. Okay. Now, I have copied this webhook URL from here. I will go back to Pabbly Form Builders. Here, I will go for integration. And here you can see I already have one webhook. Let me delete this one. And now you can see here I have an option to add a webhook. So I will just go for add webhook. And I will paste this. Okay. Save. And now you can see here I have successfully copied my webhook URL and pasted it here in Pabbly Form Builder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response. Now it is waiting for the webhook response. Now whenever I will do a form submission, a webhook response will be captured here. Okay. So let me go here, dashboard. And now which form I am taking? I am taking the form of candidates. Okay. So this is the name of the form, candidates. Now here I have a form filled for, made for the candidates for some specific purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to write here Arpit Sharma email Arpit Sharma @gmail.com. And here I am between 20 to 30, so I'll just go for 20 to 30 and I will submit it. Now, as soon as I will do that, you can see your message has been submitted successfully. And when I will go back here at Pabbly Connect account, you can see a webhook response has been captured here. This is my name, this is my last name, this is my Gmail, and this is my age. Okay, I am between 20 to 30. Now, I want to integrate and connect my Stackby account so that whenever a new data is submitted through Pabbly Form Builder, my Stackby account will automatically take that data and make a new database. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go for create a row because a new row will be created on every form submission. Now add new connection. Now here what you have to do is you have to go and copy the API key and put it here. Now from where you are going to get the API key? You can see here it is written log into your Stackby account. After logging in, profile, account, then scroll down to API key. So we will go to our Stackby account. This is my Stackby which I have made for you all so that I can take the form submissions here. Let me rename it first. Pabbly Form Builder, okay. Save. And here I am going to rename the table as form submissions, okay. Now how you will connect your Stackby to your Pabbly Connect? You will go to account here. You will scroll down and as you can see here you have the API key, this. So you have to copy this key, go back to your Pabbly Connect account and paste it. Click on save and your Stackby account will automatically be connected to your Pabbly Connect account. Now it is asking you for the workspace, that where is your table in which you have to save the data. So you can see I have two workspace here, my first workspace and Pabbly. Let me go back here and let me show you this. Let me go back to home. So this is my first workspace. Second one is Pabbly and Pabbly has my Pabbly Form Builder. So what I am going to do is I am going to select Pabbly and it will automatically take the stack Pabbly Form Builder because it only has one stack. And if there would have been more stacks here, we could have been selecting more than one here, okay, but we only have one stack, so it will only select one stack here. Table is form submissions. I just renamed it in front of you all. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use a technique called mapping here. Now mapping will let me take the data from this field and it will let me put the data to these fields here in this window, okay. That is called mapping. So I'm just going to take the name. So name is Arpit. Email was arpitsharma@gmail.com. Okay, I'm really sorry. Name, email. I need to... Okay, so here is the problem. Let me rename this one. This one should be last name because I do not want to email, right? I'll just go back here and I'll just connect it again. Save. And I just connected it in front of you, so I'm not going to do that again. Now you can see it has been refreshed. Name, last name, email and age. So name is Arpit. Last name is Sharma. Email is arpitsharma@gmail.com and age is 20 to 30, okay. Now as soon as I will click on save and send test request, you can see an ID has been generated and here all the information is available. When I will go back here, you can see I have this Arpit Sharma@gmail.com, age is 20 to 30. Now I forgot to delete these rows which were default here and that is why my data is at 5th row. So remember to delete these rows before you do that. And now you can see it has automatically come to the first row. Now let us try it once more. Let me go here. And now let me write Swati Sharma @gmail.com. Okay. And 20 to 30 age and let me submit it. So as soon as I will submit it, you can see I have an entry here by the name Swati Sharma, swatisharma@gmail.com, 20 to 30 years. So friends, this is how you can connect your Pabbly Form Builder to your Stackby account. And whenever a new form submission is done on Pabbly Form Builder, the Stackby account will take the database and create a new row. So I hope you understood this workflow. And if you want to clone this awesome workflow, you can just go to my description link and copy this workflow from there into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and to have an account, you need to go and sign up. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to added in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us, and it can change the future. And I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.